gosh. Messy, messy. All sweet, I'm going all sweet today. So I'm coming into week 3. The judges like what I'm cooking, but it seems that they want to see something different from me. So it's time to change the game completely. I'm going from savory to sweet. I'm making something that's very comforting for me, which is pan dulce, or like sweet bread. It's called mantecada, and it's like a Mexican muffin. And I'm pairing that with a beverage that we love because it's so warm, comforting, sweet. It's called atole, with a little bit of whipped cream, because who doesn't like whipped cream, right? Making this dish is a little risky because I've been showing a lot of savory dishes, and just switching to sweet can go really good or really bad, especially because I'm baking. It smells really good. It smells like orange and vanilla. Should be okay. The judges probably they didn't expect for me to make something sweet, so it's a risk. This is so heavy. My workout right now.
Come on, muscles, come on, come on.
All right, guys, 45 minutes left to go.
All right. Clock's ticking.
You know, I think that we've seen presentation get better. Things are tasting good. This is one where I want to see some execution, right? I want to see like real technique come out.
You know, Nikki won the last challenge, and she's kind of shocking us by making pho. It can be very challenging to get all that flavor into that broth.
But one of the things that I did see her doing was getting good char on the vegetable, so it'll be intensified flavor, especially if it's going in any kind of fast cooker, right? So I'm interested to see how that comes out.
Yeah.
Gotta go slow or else we're gonna have an explosion of flour.
So today, my comfort food is white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cream pies. Last week, the judges were saying that I tried to do too much. So going into this week, I will be self-editing a little more. These cookies evolved over time. My big addition to this is I add cardamom to the batter on the cookies. It gives it a nice warmth to it that people aren't necessarily expecting.
Ooh, we're getting a little big on this bowl. So this is a complete homage to my mom. She always had some form of cookie or sweet in our home. Many times it was an oatmeal-based cookie. Towards the end of her life, she started throwing white chocolate chips and dried cranberries. She perfected that cookie.
When I make these cookies, I feel like my mom is there. They're near and dear to all of my family.
How's it
Hey,
going?
Brian, what's up?
Not too
Hi,
much.
Brian.
Too much, maybe. We'll see. I am making oatmeal white chocolate chip cookies with dried cranberries.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
And
okay.
these are actually going to end up as oatmeal cream pies.
Oh, yum.
No way.
And is this a family recipe? What's
It
the story?
is actually my mom. In my mom's house, we always had oatmeal cookies. She's been gone for about 5 years.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Did your mom inspire your love of cooking?
Absolutely. I wouldn't be where I am without her.
Her influence was deep.
I love that how, you know, each of these elements reminds you of your mom, reminds you of the stories.
Oh, I love eating these when I try to get myself out of a funk or I remember my mom. It really brings me back.
You mind if we taste a little bit real quick?
By all means,
All
go
right.
ahead.
Just get a little bite here.
More is more, right?
Oh my gosh.
Cardamom.
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 Mom.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So Brian, obviously you're a master at this, but remember when you're making cookies, it's just important making sure that they're all the same size
Right.
and nice and rolled so that they bake evenly.
So excited to try these.
Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Chef Tiffany Derry. I'm so excited to be a part of the Great American Recipe on PBS. Here's more delicious moments from the show for you to devour. You can watch the full competition on the PBS video app. And if you're looking for recipes, head over to pbs.org/food.